Hello everyone, this side Samaria here, the setting entrepreneur guys, presenting to you all today the 29th episode of the 7 p.m. series guys. So without wasting any time, let's just go to the screen and see what is the best stocks for us today. Okay guys, so let's just discuss first of all the Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis here. So again, market opened very gap down, of course. Like I was not expecting this initially, and in the pre-market opening session it was showing that there will be a huge gap. Nifty and Bank Nifty both were almost 1% down, but as soon as the market opened guys, they started a buying pressure, and it again मतलब हमेशा मैं बार बार बोलता हूँ, जब भी ये गैप क्रिएट होता है भाई साहब, तो यही गैप से ऑलमोस्ट एक बार रेजिस्टेंस लेके जा सकता है. ठीक है, तो हमेशा जो गैप्स होते हैं दे कैन ईदर एक्ट एज अ सपोर्ट और इट कैन एक्ट एज अ रेजिस्टेंस एज वेल. एंड यू कैन सी दिस थिंग, द रैली स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम हियर स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली, एंड अगेन it was not able to fill up the gap. Okay, and it actually made a wick here, and after that it started falling again, then again a lower low formation of pattern, then again at the finally end post 1:30 or 2 p.m. onwards, as I always keep on saying, on expiry days you get to see a good move. Okay, post 1:30 p.m. right, so you can just see it out ki how the market has actually behaved. Okay, today market was very much volatile in Bank Nifty as well for which actually I have already shown you the losses that I had incurred in the account. So let's just talk about it as well. So before I proceed further, what is going to be happening next? So guys, let's just see what is the daily activity of the Nifty here. Okay, now again understand this thing, the entire daily activity of Nifty is still negative here. Reason being, Nifty tried to go up. Okay, again it has closed below, right? And again I have keep on telling you this thing, on Fridays especially the big fall comes. Okay, reason being, from past 3 or 4 months I have been analyzing this thing, based on the data and all those things, that on Fridays big fall in the Nifty and Bank Nifty both come. It can either be a small correction or it can be a big fall as well. Okay, so tomorrow is Friday, so make sure you don't buy at least and be ready to sell. Okay, so here I'll tell you simple one thing. If Nifty tries to go below this levels, right, if it goes below today's low, actually there's a good room it can test again 15,500. Okay, and it will be a very crazy fall, very sharp fall. Okay, don't underestimate that. And in case if that breaches this fall as well, next stop is going to be 15,250. Okay, so I feel the negative sentiment and the bears are actually taking care of the market. Of course right now bulls are not so much doing well. Okay, I would suggest. Okay, so what can happen tomorrow is, guys, if you will see this thing on a 30 minutes time frame chart, there happens to be a very steep trend line, right, like this. Okay, so I suppose market will be testing some time here nearby. Okay, it can do something like this, and again this is the critical area. Okay, 15,700 almost. So if it sustains above 15,700, don't sell. Okay, and but if actually it goes below 15,700, okay, you are good to go for the selling part. Whatever the day's high or previous 30 minutes or 50 minutes high at that candle will be, right, you can actually short sell the, okay, the stock, the index actually here. Okay, and you will be able to see a good rally downside, guys, because like it has been getting defending first time, second time, almost again third time again, but ultimately Nifty is getting weaker and weaker here. I don't see any much of a room, or if in case I'm getting wrong here, I'll tell you one thing which will happen here. Market can give a rally again. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, again falls happen in two ways. First of all, it can give a single one time fall, or it can make a double top. Okay, like it will show rejection here, then it will show rejection here, and the moment it will be breaking neckline like this, okay, it will be like falling like crazy. Okay, that fall is imminent. I'm very much sure it is going to come. The correction is still pending in Nifty and Bank Nifty for such a long time. Okay, so let's just see how market behaves again. And again I am telling you, be ready for the market's opportunity. Simply use the trend lines, guys. Okay, in 5 minutes time frame chart, you can simply use the trend lines, you can sell it out. Okay, so tomorrow's view, I hope that is clear. No buying, only selling. Okay, buying can be considered only if Nifty is sustaining above 15,700 levels. All right, guys. Next comes, guys, Bank Nifty. Here again same action can be seen in Bank Nifty too. It actually opened gap down. After that market started going up, and again it didn't even get to see the top. Like the gap was still not filled up here, and this is what I was talking about. Okay, market can actually fall in single go, or it can go up and then it can fall. Okay, so these areas can actually be considered as a double top patterns, okay, in the market. And the moment it breaches this neckline, right, imminent fall, a huge fall comes, and that has to be done very quickly. Okay, so यही चीज की मैं बात करूं कब से, ठीक है. And again these small patterns, time frame charts on 5 minutes can also be seen on the bigger time frames. Okay, on 1 days or weeklies or anything like that. Okay, or 1 hour time frame. So I'm just trying to give you a broader picture of the market, what can happen actually. Okay, so just be cautious, of course. Okay, don't take any blind decisions. Let the market prove first of all that what you're gonna do. If you are doing in options the very first time, guys, I would suggest you to do only with one lot. Okay, don't make any raucous mistakes. Okay, and more importantly, tomorrow is Friday, so the next expiry, guys, is the monthly expiry. Okay, that is going to be coming on 24th of June. Okay, so I feel the premiums for that are going to be very much higher, okay, tomorrow, because it is the first day of the Friday, first day of the week, of course. So let's just see. Okay, if you get to see some good momentum, okay, just grab and get out of the market. Okay, it will be again a scalping trade. Okay, so these areas are getting defended by, Bank Nifty very critically, but I don't think it will be getting holding much of a longer time. The moment it crosses below these areas, right, it will be surely be getting, interest area of 34,000 very easily. Okay, and that fall is gonna be coming very drastically, believe me. All right, so Nifty, Bank Nifty, I hope both are very much clear. Okay, this is the trend line here which is getting respected in the sense like market is going up, coming down again, taking rejection, coming down again, taking rejection, coming down again, rejection from the same point. Okay, this is what I mean by respecting. All right, so tomorrow's view is only bearish, no buying at all. Okay, until unless this trend line is breached, it has been giving a closing and it sustains above that, that is another case, guys. Okay, so stocks for tomorrow, guys, I'll just tell you one thing. Okay, this is a stock of Datamatics. Okay, if you will see this thing, there is something interesting happening in this stock. Okay, this was a stock high at 2017. It was around 150 areas, I suppose. Yeah, 140, 150 areas. It has tested once. Okay, then it tested twice, it tested thrice as well in 2018, 2019. From past 3 years it has been, testing these areas. Okay, so it has made a triple bottom setup. Okay, a triple top setup, and the moment coronavirus hits, of course, it fell down crazily. Okay, the neckline it breached, the same pattern repeats. Okay, the same thing I just told you in the Bank Nifty and Nifty charts, right? Now there has been this thing, okay, which has happened here. Okay, so if you are interested, guys, you can actually buy this stock for the long time. Okay, because it has actually trying to give closing here. Okay, you can buy this stock. So guys, fourth time the stock is actually giving a multi-year breakout, of course, here after 3 or 4 years of imminent testing again. As I'm already telling you, we are actually entering into a long bull run, of course, in the market of India. So if you are interested, you can buy this stock, okay, nearby this, and we can keep we can actually get to see the targets of 300, okay, easily in some years. Okay, in some years, by that what I mean is like 1 2 3 4 anytime, like I cannot tell you 100% to be sure like within these many days, this target is going to be hit. So we can actually have the targets of 300 or 300 plus. Okay, guys, so those of you who are interested, they can actually buy this stock, okay, with a stop loss of 130. Okay, and that is all. Then comes, guys, Hathway. So Hathway is also doing something interesting here. Okay, so today the stock MTNL, it already made an upper circuit in the very morning, and I was lucky enough to get the quantities. I will show you actually in the Telegram as well. So it was just at the nick of the time, guys. So again, there is one important factor. Hathway is only to be bought, guys, it is not to be sold. Okay, no matter whatever happens, you will be seeing this thing. There is a strong trend line that is being made here by the stock, right? So the moment it closes above like this, okay, if it gives a breach above this trend line, guys, you can actually go and buy the stock. Okay, with a stop loss nearby. For CNC holding, I'm telling you, okay, stop loss of 25 you can keep. Okay, 1 rupee stop loss, and the target which you can assume is, guys, like these resistance areas can be your targets. Okay, so you can keep 34 40 rupees targets, guys. But I'll tell you one thing, this stock is going to be getting benefited because of the 5G network conditions and all those things. So since this comes from the communication and telecom industries, of course, so if you want to invest in this stock, you can go and stay invested in this stock for the long time run as well, with just 1 rupee stop loss, guys. Okay, 25 rupees is going to be a stop loss, and let the rally run. Okay, after that, guys, Havells, this was a stock that I gave you in the morning somewhere here. Okay, I told you to buy nearby 22 23, of course, and this was the option actually which we dealt in. If you want me to show you, guys, here is the thing. Okay, the very okay, most important thing is, guys, why Adani stocks are falling. So those of you who have not seen this video, guys, please make sure you watch it out. Okay, just simply go and check this video in the Telegram group, or actually you can check it out in the YouTube channel of mine. The link is bit.ly/Samaria Y. Okay, simply URL this link, okay, and you will be getting to transmitted to my YouTube channel. After that, guys, I told you about the stock of the day is going to be AIA Engineering. So this is the AIA Engineering. Okay, in the morning only, it actually somewhere before market opening only, I told you nearby 8:56 a.m. Okay, again in the stock actually it has gone and it has given good profits in the very first 5 to 10 minutes only. It has given a rally of like 30-40 points. That was good enough. Of course, if you still get to hold the stock, guys, it has given you like 3 or 4 different chances, okay, to hold the stock, okay, and get out of with the profits. But still, those of you who hold the stocks for the end of the day, this is why I tell you, okay, don't hold your profits on Thursdays especially, okay, because the market can turn any way around, okay. So please always remember this simple golden rule. On Thursdays, don't have this false hopes that the stock is gonna go up. मेरे करण अर्जुन आएंगे धरती का सीना फाड़ के नहीं आएंगे बेटे. थर्सडेज को तो पक्का नहीं आते, वो छुट्टी करके घर पे बैठ जाते हैं, ठीक है. तो थर्सडेज को ऑफ कोर्स व्हाट आर द प्रॉफिट्स यू आर गेटिंग इट आउट, take it and leave it, okay, simple strategy. After that, guys, I told in the morning 9:27 around only in the first 5 minutes candles, Sanofi, Nazara, Apex, Hathway, DBL. So these were the stocks. Let's just check it out. So Apex actually it made good profits, okay, but again I'll tell you one thing, I had booked my losses again because I was hoping that it will be going up, okay, and it was consolidating here, it was coming back and it was making rejections, okay, every time it was going up here. So somewhere here around 1:30 p.m. again, I'm telling you so many times it has happened, okay. So the stop loss was 265, but I exited early seeing this candle only, okay. I was hoping that this is gonna happen, and again I was keeping a track of Nifty and Bank Nifty, so I exited somewhere 266 only, I guess, okay, and I just reduced my 1 rupee of stop loss. I was having good amount of quantities, okay, 300 400 plus quantities I was having. So 400 rupees of loss is not a small loss because I was having this stock at 265 66, I guess, nearby that. So 800 rupees nearby that, I guess, the loss was, okay, for Apex. Nazara, guys, again the same stock, told you to buy in the very morning. Again there was good potential, profit for this one as well. From 1670 1650 areas, it has given a rally and given up to 20 rupees per stock of 1600 rupees. What else do you need? Okay, good profits, of course. Sanofi, first candle again buying, it happened, it gave you enough ample amount of time, right? It actually did not went much up, okay, as per my expectations. I was hoping that it will go, but again it didn't went. So still a profitable trade if you would have taken that and if you exited with the profits. So Hathway also we have discussed, right? Hathway 5 minutes time frame chart, let's just see. Okay, Hathway also, yeah, it was not much of a trade, of course, like I would say it was break even, something like that actually. I'm still holding this trade, frankly speaking, okay. It is a CNC trade that I took, okay, not the other way around. So this is all. Yeah, let's just talk about the Havells. Yeah, I told in the morning only. Remember, it's Thursday, market will be sideways to downtrend in second half. Possibilities of happening that is less today depending on the chart behavior analysis. In the morning what happened, that is why I told, but again it is still a possibility, right? So never underestimate. मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ जब भी एक कैंडल इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ फॉर्मेशन होता है ना, तब पंगे नहीं रहना मेरे भाई. लेट द कैंडल कंप्लीट फर्स्ट, लेट द प्राइस स्पीक फर्स्ट. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे देन वी विल बी सीइंग व्हाट इज गोना बी हैपनिंग नेक्स्ट, ओके. So these were the stocks, of course. After that, guys, 35,100. I told you that if it is closing above that, short 30k will be hitting it out very soon, but again that did not happen, and this is the update at 9:32, okay. After that, MTNL, guys, I told you, planning something big. Buy and forget, actually, I told you. And if you will see this thing, there were like there was a video actually that I sent you guys, almost 10 lakh quantities plus 10 lakh 11 lakh, like this, the quantities were getting bought, of course. So I was lucky enough, and believe me, I just got to buy it at 2177, okay, just like 3 paisa below the upper circuit. The upper circuit was 2180, okay, and 67 rupees of only profit I'm having. Tomorrow, of course, the stock is gonna go up, opening gap up, so hopefully I'll be seeing some profits, of course, here, like 2 3 5 10,000, whatever market gives us. Let's just see. Okay, so Apex gave good profits, okay. Syngene and this is a very crazy stock. It also hit my stop loss again eventually. I had a loss of almost 500 rupees, I guess. It was only 2 rupees of stop loss at we had ADSL upper circuit नहीं मारा इसने आज बेइज्जती करवा गया okay Navkar Corporations guys, it is a good stock. I have not seen its activity. What does it happen at the end of the day? Let's just check it out. Navkar Corporation, okay, it is still consolidating, but again I'm telling you guys, this is a stock which I have been recommending you since these areas. Okay, if you remember that my previous videos, मैं आपको यहाँ पे बार बार बोल रहा हूँ, this is a stock from 37-40 rupees areas. Okay, so if you want you can buy this stock. Okay, but again अभी का ये जो एक्शन कर रहा है ना, ये अभी एक बार इसका रेंज ब्रेकआउट हो लेने दो, 45 के ऊपर जाएगा तब इसका शॉर्ट बुलिशनेस कंफर्म हो जाएगा. बट अगेन अभी कल फ्राइडे है तो इट कैन डिप अगेन, इट कैन टेस्ट दीज रेजिस्टेंस एरियाज एज अ सपोर्ट. ओके, so maybe nearby 35 37 it can test, then it can continue the rally upside. Okay, so just wait and watch. If you get to buy the stock tomorrow at these areas, do surely buy. Good buy. Okay, that's a good buy stock. Then guys, next stock is Havells. Okay, I told you this is only for scalping purposes only, and I told you somewhere 24.6. okay, and the targets was 30 plus nearby that, and it actually hit the targets very soon in just a couple of minutes, I guess. From here it hit 30, almost good amount of profits guys. 500 rupees a lot size is here of this stock, so 26 to 30, like 4 rupees, 2000 rupees per lot if you have taken this trade. Scalping means scalping. Okay, that doesn't mean any unnecessary shit that you need to do. Okay, so this was a bail stock. Again, at the end of the day the bail has fallen down, but again I'm going to hold this stock for the end of the month. Okay, there is just one last week for this stock remaining. Let's just see. Okay, again I told you this is the stock which is going to have 17,000, again the entire amount which is going to be there, right? It is going to be at risk, there is no stop loss. Okay, so do take the trades cautiously. Some of you were asking me, sir, marine electricals I want to buy. Today was the day you can actually enter some of the quantities. Okay, but again market is still going down, so just buy at dips. Okay, like little by little some of the quantities you can buy. That is why I written here add few quantities only today. So guys, we then around 11:40 p.m. am actually, I gave you this recommendation 34,700 call. Okay, around 138 rupees we bought, and if you will see this thing, it has given a reward of almost 200 guys. Okay, 34,700 call, somewhere here we actually bought it 138 around rupees nearby here. अबे चल पड़. हाँ, so somewhere here actually guys we bought it out, and it has given a beautiful fantastic rally till 200. So scalping trade, I told you it is also going to be risky trade. There were some things, okay, that I told. RPAR trade, no SL, no target. Okay, this is the thing that I did, and which is why I had occurred some big losses. Those who don't want to risk can scalp for 150, 160, 170. These were the scalping trades, okay, for the safe buying, and we have already seen 200 levels were hit, so these targets are all actually met. The only reason why I told you it is going to be RPAR trade was because of the initial morning setup, and I was expecting that the bullish momentum can still continue. Okay, so I was willing to risk my money guys, so that is why, again, if you will check it out, today I had a big amount of losses, right, around 27k. If you will see this thing, 11k, 2000, 5000, 500, this is Syngene, of course, 500. If you can see this thing, 583, almost 584, I bought 4 rupees was just the stop loss, and quantities was 150 only, that is all. So 3 or 4 rupees of stop loss was there, and again, if you would have rallied again, the risk to reward was minimum. I was expecting nearby 600 plus. Okay, so sorry, 650 plus, sorry for that. So but again that stock has not rallied, so that was there. So again the point was, if you can see this thing, 184.26 is the buy price, and I exited somewhere at 92. So there is a huge amount of stop loss. Okay, almost 50% reduction. 9 to the 18 almost, right? 90 rupees of stop loss. I never take it out, and this was purely a like gambling trade. I would suggest you, okay, please don't do that ever. All right, so the only reason why I was having this conviction was because in the morning market was showing some sentiments, of course, so that was my hunch that market can go up again, it can still continue the trade, but it did not happen. Okay, so I always keep on saying respect the market, because market is supreme, no one is above the market, of course. So guys, that was it. So right now there are only 2 trades, granules and cams. I've told you to buy, and Nilkamal was also considered to be a swing trade. Okay, so that is all for tomorrow, I guess. Let's just check it out. I've already discussed the stocks of Hathway, Datamatics again, and cams if you want me to show you. So again, there is a one important factor which you need to understand here. Cams is actually consolidating here. Okay, I have also taken this as a BTST trade, but in case if it goes below this low, you know that what kind of candle is this, right? Comment down in the description below or in the comment section what is this kind of a candle. I've already shown this candle to you so many times. Okay, so if the low of this candle is taken out, guys, simply exit. Don't hold this stock because it can test around 2700 areas very easily, okay, on Fridays, because market will be falling. Okay, so this is going to be happening. So guys, exit the stock if it happens to cut your stop loss. Okay, simple easy thing. After that, guys, this is granule stock. So again, if you can check it out, this is the stock which is having some problems going below. So this is the first stock, first and like support area. Okay, it was tracking here again the support. Now third time it has again come up. I feel if it closes below this area, right, this is only 1 rupee of stop loss, guys. 315 rupees is the last resort for this. If it closes below 315, it can come up till 300 again. Okay, so I'm only having 1 rupees of stop loss here. Okay, but again, if it starts the rally again, guys, it is gonna be like fantastic again. Minimum targets is this high. Okay, that is 330 or whatever, and again next target is going to be 350. I've taken this trade, of course, so that is why I've recommended you. So that is all for granules and cams. And the last stock was Nilkamal. For Nilkamal, again, if you can see this thing, easy spot. This was the area again of consolidation. After that, a good momentum happened. The stock consolidated here, and again it is showing the first green candle at the base of the stock where the rally actually happened. Okay, यहाँ पे अगर आप check करोगे guys, एक important trend line भी लग रही है ऐसे करके कुछ, ठीक है. So the trend line has already been breached here. Okay, so if it continues the momentum again upside, guys, it can give you good momentum. It can be a swing trade, of course, not only a BTST action. The stop loss is going to be this swing only, guys. 2171. Okay, this is a stop loss, guys. If you want me to show you the risk to reward, currently the stock is 2219. There is 2.5% of loss. Okay, and the targets I'm minimum expecting is 2500. So 12% is the reward. So 2.5 versus 12%, nearby 1:4, 1:5, nearby that range, guys. So that is all, guys, in this video. I hope you get to understand and learn a lot many things. What I'm planning is, like, from tomorrow onwards or the next video onwards, actually weekly daily analysis of 7 p.m series PM series. Wow. So 7 p.m series, I will not be giving you much of a thorough analysis because it takes a lot of time. Again and again, most of the people who are watching my daily videos, they are not actually watching till the very end. Okay, so it doesn't make any sense because the only percentage of people who are getting retained by such daily videos is only like 10% of the content, okay, you watch. So right now it is almost 23-25 minutes, I have been recording this video. So I'm just planning to reduce the time to like 50% to 70%. Okay, let's just see. The videos will be very short, okay, to the point. So those of you who still want to learn, they can learn again. So from next weekend onwards, Monday till Friday, no long videos, only one video on the Friday analysis will be coming with the next entire weekly analysis, which will be of like say 20-30 or maybe 1 hour long. That's what I'm planning to do. Okay, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and like the video. So that is all, guys. So I hope you get to learn a lot many things. This side Samaria here, this Anticon signing off.